We just bought ticket ride from Kanazawa to Tokyo tomorrow at about 2 p.m. and it costed us 28,240, so perhaps it's about 300 Aussie dollars. Not too bad. Goodbye Kanazawa, Tokyo, here we come. Ready to go to our bullet train. We've got our luggage here and our bento ready. And let's rock and roll. Station 14 for Toyama, Tokyo. This is the bullet train. So noisy. And we're on number 6. Okay, Japanese train is so practical and efficient, especially the functionality and the compartment side of things. Let me introduce things to you. You don't miss anything. They've got like mirror on top. And then here you can hang your bag here. Ta-da! And then here you can also hang stuff like so. And then just like the aeroplane, you can put your bento here and then eat it. And then the glass or bottle holder is just here for the coffee. Those people who are converting and reversing, you can have the table on the side table near the window. Don't want to put it over there? Not a problem. You can put it over here, hanging by the side. And for shorter people, you can actually push it down for kids, and then you can put it up there for the taller people. Even provide you with adapter so you can charge your gadgets over here. If the seats is too front for you, you can push it back by clicking here and back. Package, not a problem. You can actually buy goodies inside the bullet train. You ever get lonely and want to talk to strangers? Not a problem. Just reverse the seats around and then just stare at the people behind you. Look, the food service cart is coming shortly. It's got hot coffee, hot drinks and snacks. Some of the regulations. When you're typed, you can't type loudly. Got 2 Doraemon snacks. Teriyaki flavor. Look! I'm going to buy some more snacks. Better than Chizu. Wow, so clean and spacious. And wash. Ooh, look at that. That's very compact. Soap. Wash. All in one. This is amazing. This is my childhood favorite marshmallow. Ever since I was a kid, my parents took me to Japan and Taiwan, so I bought this Japanese marshmallow. How is it different from the Australian one? Well, I can tell you one thing. It's much smaller, fluffier, and less sweeter. Ooh, yum. It's like eating the clouds. Yum, yum. Another childhood favorite of mine is Irodori Ramune. Basically lollies which you can either suck on it or you can bite on it. 4 different flavors. Green, apple. It's quite cooling, and when you bite on it, it's got like a little crunchy soda that you can actually bite into. My favorite, which is grape. Remember this? Yes, last time I bought like a whole heaps of mixture, and the only best thing that I could find is this squid crackers one, so I just bought a whole heap pack of them. Japanese really love their snacks. We have just arrived at the busiest city in Japan, Tokyo. In Tokyo, I would recommend you to get a passport, which is a card that can buy you a lot of things, including train passes, bus passes, including 7-Eleven purchases. So yeah, get a passport. Right, it's 5:20 in the afternoon and we need to catch 2 sets of trains to get to our hotel. I only have 340 on my passport, so we're actually filling it up. This is the most luxurious one that I could find. 1,080 yen.
Stay tuned on my next video. Please comment, click like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.
We got 2 nights worth of a smoking room, which I wasn't very happy about because everything stunk.
Sayonara!